Hey there, mobile players. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new around here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you're always up to date with the best mobile gaming hacks and tricks. Today, I've got something really fun to show you, a super easy hack method to score unlimited gold and cash in City Island 6 mobile game. This method works great on both iPhone and Android. No crazy stuff like jailbreaking or rooting required. You won't even need a PC. I tried it myself, and yep, the resources showed up instantly. Let me break it all down for you step by step. Super beginner-friendly tutorial. Let's dive in. Alright, first thing you'll need is your user ID. This is key, so don't skip it. Just open City Island 6 app, tap on Settings, and there it is. Your unique ID, usually a string of letters and numbers. Either jot it down or copy it somewhere. We'll need that in just a second. All set? Great. On to the next part. Now open up your browser, Chrome, Safari, anything works, and go to the site I'm using. It's got mods and cheats for tons of popular apps. For today, we're looking up the City Island 6 hack that lets you load up on unlimited gold and cash. Just use the search bar to find the game quickly. Tap the right one, and it'll bring you to the generator page. Easy so far, right? Let's keep going. Once you're on the hack page, there's a small form you need to fill in. Choose your device, iOS or Android, and then paste in that user ID we grabbed earlier. Double check that it's all correct, then hit connect. Now the tool will link to your game account automatically. It's secure, so don't worry. Just give it a few moments to sync everything up. Next up, time to choose how much gold and cash you want. Simply select one of the available quantities, then press the generate button. The process can be repeated multiple times, so you can also get smaller amounts of gold and cash if needed. The system will now do its thing behind the scenes, running through servers, using proxies, all that technical wizardry. Might take a minute or two to complete. Almost done now. Hang in there. Before the resources get sent to your account, there's just one quick verification step. It's to make sure you're an actual person and not a bot flooding the site. Usually it's something simple like installing and running a free app from the App Store or Play Store. Super quick, and they even have a video guide if you need help. Just follow the instructions and you'll be good to go. Once that's done, the resources show up in your account like magic. That's it. No extra work needed. I already went through it earlier, so I won't do it again on camera, but check this out. Look at my new resources count. Stacked and ready to go. Now I can play without constantly worrying about running low. Total game changer. And there you go, the full walkthrough. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and share it with your gaming crew. Got stuck somewhere? Leave a comment and I'll try to help you out when I can. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's a great time, and make sure to hit that bell so you don't miss the next guide or hack. Thanks for watching, happy gaming, and I'll see you in the next video.